Hey everyone, come with me. I'm gonna show you something very cool. I collected a whole bunch of new expired condom, and I collected these hanger from people online. These are hanger from the dry cleaner, and of course we have used underwear from member, and so I will be making a piece for sustainability art installation, and these are all the underwear and bra that I collected, and these one have lace, so it also have polyester that created fiber and the fiber plastic that go into the ocean and the river. And of course these are all the pieces that I collected from member online. And of course I have 6,500 condom that I collected here. And up here we have an old piece of clothes. This brand Milton Funwear is no longer around. I used to be their quality control manager and that worked with lab tests for clothing. So I would be using this as part of my fashion pieces. And of course I have my mother old corset and bra who passed away 2 years ago, so I'm gonna use this to honor her. And we will make a fashion piece of clothing, and this is just testing pieces, and as you see it's a shoulder piece, it's not sew on, just to see how it look, and it make with a bra. So follow me and I will show you what it will look like. Ciao.